What is going on, Rocket Lab investors? So we are at $26.60. This is absolutely insane. We had quite a pullback before earlier in the month. On December 12th, we hit 22.58, and I thought we were going to start going down, hit the $18, $19 zone. But sadly, we just have gone up. And I say sadly because I've been wanting to buy more shares at a lower price, but I truly think we are not going to get there. I think Rocket Lab has proven itself time and time again. There could be a big catalyst, maybe something with the economy where all stocks just really drop, but Rocket Lab continues to move forward. They keep continuing to make progress with Neutron, and as a result, we are just really going up in our stock price. And I'm hoping really soon that we hit the $30 mark and go above the $30, because if we're in the $30 range and something happens, like let's say a rocket explodes on the pad, which is very common in the space industry, it's inevitable, it's gonna happen, there's gonna be rocket failures, but we need to be at a really healthy price. And I think $35. If a rocket exploded, we'd drop anywhere from $5, maybe 10, just due to a lot of fears. But then I think we would recover nicely. So I would like to have that cushion, and I truly think we're going to get there within 2025. If we can crack the $30 mark before Neutron, and then Neutron launches and then it is successful, I think we could go maybe even into the $40 to $50 range, or we could just trade sideways. So I want to know your thoughts and opinions. Do you think the stock's going to continue to go up, and then when Neutron launches, it's going to be a huge catalyst and we just go up? Or is this a buy the rumor, sell the news, where Neutron will be successful and then you'll see a lot of people take their profits? I have faith that we're going to hit $50 one day, and then potentially even $100, anywhere from 50 to 100 if we do have a constellation. But it depends on the constellation. Without a constellation, I think the max we'll hit is probably 50, and we're getting pretty close to that 50. Honestly, being at $26, we hit $28 before. So I just want to show or read from an article about Rocket Lab to see where we're at right now. So the shares are trading higher pre-market on Monday. Saturday, the company successfully completed its 16th launch of the year, deploying the satellite for Japanese Earth observation operator Synspective. This marks the 16th planned Electron launches for Synspective. Rocket Lab has been the exclusive launch provider for their first mission together since 2020. And then Sir Peter Beck recently said, "We look forward to continuing to increase our launch cadence in the new year as we strengthen Electron's position as the leading small rocket globally, and also enter the medium launch market with Neutron." So this is 100% correct. This has been an amazing year for Rocket Lab. In 2024, Rocket Lab had 16 launches, and the previous annual record was 2023 with 10 launches. So hopefully we can either match or increase that amount of launches. If we hit 18, that'd be awesome, plus Neutron on top of that. So the company maintained a perfect 100% mission success rate for 2024. That is really awesome. And that's why I like investing in Rocket Lab and have faith in Peter Beck, because he just does a great job. He doesn't really speed things up. He makes sure things are done correctly. And I think I attribute that 100% success rate to Peter Beck, and really that's why I invest in the company. That's truly, as long as Peter Beck is at Rocket Lab, I will continue to invest in Rocket Lab. But if something happens and he leaves Rocket Lab, I honestly do not think there's another person that could really take Rocket Lab to the $50, $100 mark. So yeah, I want to know your thoughts and opinions and how you feel about this year. How do you feel about these launches, 16 launches compared to the 10, and how do you think next year is going to go? Do you think we're going to increase that number? And what's the stock price you think that Rocket Lab is going to be at by the time Neutron launches, and then afterwards? I would love to hear that kind of information. Shout out to everyone that comments and likes the video. I do appreciate you, but I hope you have a great day. This video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research and consult a professional before making any financial investments.